Good morning to all. I am again present in front of you my YouTube channel Dr. RS Mathematics and Geography classes. My channel is covered all classes of mathematics and geography and EVS for the competitive exams. Geography and EVS taught by Dr. Seema. She is also qualified the NET and PhD. If you new viewer my YouTube channel, please like, share and subscribe my channels. And I discuss all classes of mathematics 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, CBSE, ICSE boards and BSc, BTech, Polytechnic Diploma and MBA classes mathematics. If you study in these one of the classes, so please join my channel and complete your syllabus. Now start the topic of this. You are seeing that Leibniz theorem for the nth derivative of the product of the two function. We are discussing previous video what is the Leibniz theorem, how to find the product nth derivative of the product of two function with the help of the Leibniz theorem. This is discussed in my previous video, and that this series we are discuss the some most important questions in this video. If you not see my the previous video, so please you see my previous video. After then see this video for the better understandings. Let's start in this video. If y equal to sin m sin inverse x, then prove that of this 1 minus x square by n plus 2, 2n plus 1 x by n plus 1 and m square minus n square by of n. You are known about the Leibniz theorem. Leibniz theorem only find the nth derivative of the given function. But condition is that with the answer n plus 2 times differentiation of this function, this is you are find the n plus 2 times of differentiation of this function, 2 more than of n, you are find the nth derivative of given function. But Leibniz also find the nth derivative, so we are also discuss the n plus 2 times differentiation. First we differentiate of this function in 2 times, after then applying the Leibniz theorem. And second things, Leibniz theorem apply the product of the two function. Here is not two function, product of two function. Y equal to sin m. Only question is this, y equal to sin m sin inverse of x. This is not product of the two function because this is the sin and m sin inverse x is the angle. This is place of the angle. So this is the single function. We are not applying the Leibniz theorem of this function because applying the Leibniz theorem only the product of the two functions. Here not the product of the two functions. So convert first we this question in product of the two function. After then you are applying the Leibniz theorem. So we are differentiate of this function, differentiate with respect to of x. Then y1 sin cos m sin inverse of x. But differentiation of this function again m 1 upon 1 minus x square in of root. You are taking out of this in form of this 1 minus x square in root, that is y1 equal to m cos and m sin inverse of x. But we are cancel out of the root of this function. All question first we cancel out of the root, squaring both sides, of this. So we are right 1 minus x square only and y1 square equal to m square and cos square m sin inverse of x. First the given question of this, differentiate of this function with respect to x. So y1 cos m sin inverse x, but m sin inverse x m into 1 upon 1 minus x square, cross multiply of this 1 minus x square root y1. We are eliminate the root, then you are squaring both sides of this function, we got value of this. Now again change the value of this 1 minus x square y1 square m square cos square, you are right, 1 minus sin square m sin inverse of x. Here we are known about that आपका cos square of x 1 minus sin square of x. This is the formula of the trigonometry. So cos square is also right, 1 minus sin square m sin inverse of x. 1 minus x square y1 square equal to m square 1 minus sin square, this is the value of y square because y equal to sin m sin inverse x, but here is the square, so we write in place of this is the y square. Y is the value of sin m sin inverse of x. We are right square, then write square. So 1 minus of y square. This is converted also y square. So again differentiating of this function, differentiating with respect to x. This is the first function, this is the second function. So 1 minus x square as a differentiation of this 2y1, y1 is differentiation of y2 plus y1 square differentiation of this function 0 minus 2x equal to m square differentiation of this 0 by 2y and yn. If you any doubt, only the differentiating of this function with respect to x. Now 2y1 is common, 1 minus x square is y2 minus 2 or y1 x y1 equal to minus 2 m square y and y1. y1 2 or y1 2 is cancel out, remaining value of this 1 minus x square y2 minus x y1 plus m square y equal to of 0. We are discussed the two times of differentiation of this function. Convert in product of the two function 1 minus x square by 1, this is the first function, second function, x by 1 first function, second function, m square y of this. After then we are applying the Leibniz theorem of this function. If you any doubt of this question, only the differentiating two times because answer is saying that you are find the yn plus 2 times differentiation of the given function. So we are first discuss the n times of the 2 times of differentiation. After then we are applying the Leibniz theorem of this questions. So now let first we check 1 minus x square and y2. First we check the two function any one of the u and any one of second is v. So u is those function we are find the nth derivative, v is the those function we are find the derivative after some time should be 0. But देखिए 1 minus x square differentiation of 0 minus 2x, again differentiation second times only 2 or third times is 0. So this is the differentiation we got 0 after some times. So this is the v, but y2 similar process in previous we are discussed same types question in previous video. This is the v and this is the u. Okay, y2 differentiation y3, y3 differentiation y4, y4 y5 not find the 0. So we are find the nth derivative of this function by the Leibniz theorem. Leibniz theorem NC0 v 1 minus x square only, this is the nth derivative. So you are right yn plus 2 nth derivative. You are looking here Leibniz theorem find the nth derivative where we are already differentiate of the 2 times. So differentiation of this function n plus 2 times. Okay, you are known about the interclass the arithmetic progression. When first and last term, you are find the 10 term between the first and last term. So total term is n. 10 plus 2 is 12, because first and last is also given, and 10 term in middle. So total is 12. Similar process, n times differentiate of this function. 2 times is already differentiate, so n plus 2 times. Now NC1 differentiation of this minus 2x, and 1 is less, yn plus 1 plus NC2 differentiation of this minus 2 yn. Next term is again plus NC3, but differentiation of 2 is 0, yn minus 1. These term, all term will be 0, so we are not taking out any other term of this. Okay, understand all of you? So differentiate, and we are apply the Leibniz theorem of this term. Again similar process, we are starting the Leibniz theorem. Initially this is v and this is u, minus sign of this nc0 x by n plus 1, because this is the one time differentiation, so n plus 1 plus nc1 differentiation of x is 1, 1 is less yn only. Next term differentiation of 1 is 0, so similar all term is 0, only m square y of n equal to 0. This is the single term by 1 by 2 by 3, n times we are right, only the nth derivative. Now we are complete solution of this. nc0 we are discussing previous video is 1, so 1 minus x square yn plus 2, nc1 minus n or 2x yn plus 1, this is minus nc2 n minus 1 upon factorial 2 into 2 yn. Similar process, minus का nc0 is also 1, x yn plus 1 minus n y of n plus m square yn equal to of 0, cancel out of this. So you are taking out the common of this yn plus 1, yn plus 1, yn plus 2 not present here, 1 minus x square yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 x yn plus 1, and multiply of this term minus n square yn, this minus and this minus plus nyn, and minus of nyn plus of m square yn equal to of 0, cancel out of this. So only the 1 minus x square yn plus 2 and minus 2 n plus 1 x yn plus 1, here n square yn m square plus m square minus n square yn plus 1 equal to of, sorry, yn only of this. This is the answer of this question. Proof of this question, okay, 1 minus x square yn plus 2 minus 2n plus 1 x yn plus 1 m square minus n square yn equal to of 0. This is the required answer of this question. If you any doubt of this question, most important question for the exam purpose, this is compulsory, comes in your exam 10 marker or 5 marker. So please make a note. If you any doubt, you are write by the comment box. We are discuss your problem in next video. I am again saying that if you taking the online live classes, you are write by the WhatsApp number 9719163762 and taking the online live classes in minimum fees and complete your syllabus. But this channel is also free, so you are first time visit my channel, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. We are discuss the most questions in next video. Complete. Thanks for watching the complete video.